Hello, Thermo Fisher Scientific.
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 Thermo Fisher Scientific. Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Hello, Mr. Mark Casper, the Chief Executive Officer of Thermo Fisher Scientific. We, the global coalition of 120 non-governmental organizations, are very concerned that the Thermo Fisher Scientific is supplying Chinese police forces with DNA toolkits and other technical supports. Occupied Tibet is already one of the most repressed and closely monitored places in the world. With the cooperation from Thermo Fisher Scientific, Chinese authorities have been able to collect DNA sample of 1.2 million Tibetans without their consent. This includes monks, nuns, women, and children as young as 5 years of age. Nothing can justify China's policy of mass DNA collection. It is highly disproportionate in scale, discriminates against Tibetans, and it hands the Chinese Communist regime an unfettered power to yet commit more severe human rights abuses against Tibetans. So long as these sales continues, Thermo Fisher Scientific is choosing to assist the monitoring and persecution of millions of Tibetans. There's nothing scientific about profiting from the persecution. Thus, we urge Thermo Fisher Scientific to immediately nullify its agreements with the Chinese Communist regime.
Thermo Fisher, stop selling DNA kits to China.